Okay, very simple. This drawing is very simple. We are going to make a little fat character. This is character is little fat. Okay. Uh, Make its first circle. Okay, first make very simple, make circle. Start the drawing. Just make a circle like this, very simple. Okay, like this. First circle, and after the circle, okay, you just make it here. Here, I make it one oval. So first make a circle like this, and then you can draw the oval like this. Okay, circle and oval. Okay, so this is oval. Very simple. So make it oval like this. Okay, aram se take time. If you need time, just tell me. I just wait few minutes and then again start. So basic shapes is very important. I use a circle over here and oval over here. So then just creating these shapes. Okay, creating these shapes. After that shape done, okay, in this circle you can create one exactly middle. Okay, suppose this is a circle, exactly middle. Okay, middle of circle, you just draw. This is the nose line. Okay, and see, this is the nose line, this is the eyes line, this is the nose line. So I can draw here. Okay, in this line, I make one eyes, two eyes like this. Okay, understood that? So here I make it one in this line. Okay, I make it one line, but this eyes is not open. It's like this. Of the eyes is here. I make blink like this. Okay, very simple. Draw the basic very nicely. Now the neck, I use the neck part. Kabina, neck part. This is a tie, okay, and the coat. The basic shapes I draw, and this is nose line. No, this is nose line. So you can draw the nose over here. Okay, here this is nose line. So you draw the nose over here. Okay, this is nose line.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, so here the nose line. So you can create the nose over here. Okay, around take time. Understand Pragatish beta?
Everything you know is in your mind.
Here's the nose. Okay, and the mouth. Okay, this basics. And this line, the eyes line. No, this is eyes line. Here you can make this ear. Ear parts like this. Okay. Okay. So this is we are creating the hairstyle. Okay. Very interesting hairstyle. I make the hairstyle like this. very small, simple. See, I just make it hairstyle like this.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute?
Sorry, beta.
Can you wait 1 minute?
Yes, beta, please. Yeah. Continue. Okay. Aram se take time. To 3-4 minutes. So make sure do it little. So in this case, I'm using the pen and ink. Okay. So I just make it here. Okay, this is Mosters. Here is a earpod.
Are you all
Okay.
my personal dreams?
Make it little fast because we are the next batch. Each batch is going on.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Everything you know is
I
in
miss
your
you yesterday, but your papa called and said that yesterday you are joining from the Sunday morning.
So this again.
But it is not your drawing. Your drawing class start from the 11:45. So wait more 3-4 minutes, okay, beta? I show. It's for a senior drawing, beta. It is our 10 to 14 years old, 10 to 16 years old students are working. Okay, this drawing, guys are using the pen, any dot pen or nib pen. This is better. Okay, so if you are changed your medium now, sometimes it's a very good. Not use every time only pencil and pencil.
Are you all my
So sometimes you are using different medium like paint, charcoal, watercolor. So it's help you lot to develop your drawing skill or the monotonous. If you all time do one medium, it can be monotonous once upon a time. Sometimes it's so make it little bit of crazy different medium. So I'm using a pen basically over here. Okay. I'm shade also putting I'm using the pilot pen for this drawing. The shading parts also I'm using with the pen, like a pencil, right? We are using the pencil. We can use this. Catch. Okay. If you want to make little areas dark tone, so then you can use this brush pen. Not every area. I feel that this area I need some dark
all
tone.
my personal dreams?
Okay, then I can use this or the mouth part. We are using some
Everything you know is in your mind.
see, I just using some glass. So this that can possible to you can use. Okay. For the most outline you can use this brush pen. Hey, good morning, all of you. Just wait 1 minute more. We can start this. Almost finish. So you can start this now. The speech patch. So I send that picture
Are you
uh,
one personally?
in your WhatsApp. Okay, so you can just check it out. Uh, if you not finish, don't worry. You just check WhatsApp. I send the drawing. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for this morning batch, all of you. I send that drawing now in WhatsApp. You just check it out and finish it up. Okay. If you not finished yet, so I just make it little tones. Okay, with only water.